Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to zip a file. Okay, so you need to go to your this PC and just find all the files you want to archive. Okay guys, so now let's suppose there are 4 files. I'm just selecting. Okay, I'm just selecting those files I want to archive. Okay, so if you click on archive, and then here you can see there are 3 formats archive format, which is rar, zip and rar4. okay, so now you need to select any kind of format you want. Just I'm selecting zip. Now here you can see the archiving options, like delete files after archiving. Like if you want to delete all the files after archiving, you can do this. So I just don't want to do this. I'm just selecting. Okay, now set password option. Like if you want to zip a file and also want to set a password, you can simply just put the password, and here you can see you have successfully set the password. Now if you click on OK, now here you can see as these files were so short and this file is successfully archived. Okay, now here you can see all your 3 files is successfully archived, right guys? So this is how you can zip a file in your desktop. So I hope you guys understand this video. If you guys have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 Minute Solution.